everybody.
There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divos? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, everybody? I hope y'all all are having like, why am I yelling? Why am I yelling? Like, stop yelling so much, April. Tone it down a little bit, okay? It's not even that necessary. I hope y'all all are doing really great by the time you're watching this video. Happy holidays. You know when you have like a favorite wig, you love something and you really don't want to take it off, but you have to? This is how I'm feeling about this UNice wig that I got on. I think she looks super duper cute. Baby, this yaki texture wig is everything. Plus it's a pre-everything 13x4. So what else can I tell you? I do have a new wig from the pink box. You can get the best of the best of the best for less. Like this everything is definitely everything. It is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-cut, and the best of the best pre-approved. Because when I approve something, baby, you best to know that it's about to be jumping over here. And you can check them out on AliExpress, Amazon, TikTok, You Don't Stop, and also their website and on YouTube too. Girl, UNice is all over the globe, okay? They coming through Amazon Prime. Get your own time, girl. I'm just saying, clock it. This one is a 13x4 body wave, and she is 24 inches in the pink box. And when I tell you, you're going to be gagging because this wig is everything and you don't got to do nothing. Girl, you don't have to do nothing. She come already with some tape. So if you want to tape her down, tape it to your skull, take it to your neck, you can do so. An elastic melting band and a HD wig cap. And girl, the best part of it all, the wig, okay? The box itself is worth something because it's so sturdy. I'm just saying. Girl, listen, get you one of these. Best of the best for less. Like seriously, don't go broke trying to look cute. You already cute, but if you want to look enhanced, don't go broke. Just go on over to UNice. Girl, this wig got me feeling real cute, real extra over here, okay? I'm feeling really, really cute today. Cute. I love me. Who don't love a good wig? Because I love me a good wig, girl. If you don't love a good wig, then like I said, y'all is in the wrong place, okay? But this is a 13x4, what I say, pre-cut, pre-bleach. You see that brown, okay? You see that bleach stuff, bye-bye knots. Girl, bye-bye, deuces, okay? You also do get a comb in the nape, so that way she stays down. An adjustable strap that you can always tighten if you choose to. Another adjustable strap in the nape. This one is not removable, but this one is. And the best of the best, okay? Because I know you need security, girl. I know you need the security. Y'all be out here being paranoid like somebody gonna take your wigs. But honey, if you use all of these securities, she ain't going nowhere. Plus, they even put tape on her for you already, so you ain't got to do nothing but put her on. But look at these curls, bouncy. I don't want to waste too much of your time because I know you got something to do, like check the description box and get you a UNice wig too, boo. Baby, I think I can just Baby, I think I can just
I get it. I guess I get it now. Life is taking enough from me. Think I just need security. Yeah. So crazy how anything can happen. Hedging my bets so desperately. Building sand castles on the calm seas. Looking for a guarantee. On my own way, I'm laying it safe. I'm holding so tight and choking my grace, leaving no room for mistakes. It's the illusion of control. Can't take it with you when you go. And holding on won't help it grow. Can't take it with you when you go. Might as well learn to lose control. The sun rises and it sets every day without my help. I can just rest assured. Of course, heaven knows best.
You want to show off your bracelet? You want to show them? You gotta look right here. Look at the phone. Right there. Yeah, there you go. Neat, huh? Where'd you get that from?
You?
The school, yeah.
The teacher gave it to me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Look at it, see how I make it.
I know. I gotta finish my video. When I'm done, I'll be down, okay?
Look at you got a white star.
I know.
Yeah, like.
I'll come down when I'm done, okay?
Okay.
All right. She's so cute, right? She's so cute.
Might as well learn to lose control. Can't take it with you when you go.
Did I think that this wig was going to come out in its best of the best form? I already knew that because UNice don't never sleep when it comes to looking really, really enhanced, really, really cute, really, really beautified on a budget. I love a good wig, especially if it is a good price. Come on, what I tell y'all, if their name starts with UNice, we nice, okay? They should make a second company and call it We Nice. It's just my thoughts. I'm just saying, because you nice, I'm nice, we all nice, okay? Did this wig come out nice? She sure did. Now, as y'all guys seen in the video tutorial, I did take it up a step or two, a notch or two, you know what I'm saying, by plucking out the hairline. I just don't want my hairs to be right on top of the lace, like at the very bottom of the lace. I just wanted to give it a little bit more of my preferred touch. You do what you like, I'm gonna do what I like, and we all gonna be all right, okay? UNice be having some really nice units, like I said. They have bundle hair, they have lace fronts, they have everything. They have V-part wigs. Girl, they probably even got ponytails. I don't know, but they got just about everything. Girl, listen, UNice is all around the globe for you, so you definitely gonna look nice. Okay, they want you to look nice. They want you to look nice. And on that note, I'm gonna see y'all all in the next video. I love y'all. Happy holidays. Make sure you thumbs this video up, hit that notification bell, so that way you are notified every time I drop a video, because you don't want to miss out on your girl. Stay blessed, stay diva delicious. Happy holidays, and I'll see y'all soon.